Good morning, guys. It's Miss Wright. This week for math, I want us to work on some number bonds and writing addition sentences. So I'm going to show you how to make your very own number bond, and you can use it to sort things and to make your own addition sentences. So you'll need some paper. You can use white paper. I'm going to use this blue paper because I think it really stands out and you can see it good on video. If you have some paper plates at your house, you'll need 3 of those. So I'm using big ones so you can really see them. So 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll either need some a glue stick or some tape, and you'll need your scissors. So to start with, we're going to make a number bond, and then I'm going to show you a couple games that you can play with it. So I'm going to use this blue paper, and I'm going to cut it in 2 long strips, just like this. There's 1. And 2. So I have 2 long strips. And then remember, you have 3 different circles on your number bond. One of them is going to be the whole. It is spelled a little bit funny. I'm going to write it on here for us so I don't forget that that is my whole. It's got a W at the beginning. It's a super tricky word. So that's my whole. And then I'm going to take my 2 strips that I just cut, and I'm going to hook them to my whole because both of our parts need to go to our whole. So I'm going to use tape because it dries a little bit faster, but if you use glue, that'll be fine too. So there's 1, and then I'm going to tape the other one to the back just like that. And there are our 2 bridges that go to our parts. So I'm going to take our other plates and I'm going to write part on them so that I remember that these are my parts. And then I'm going to hook them to the other end of those strips of paper so that I have one nice big number bond that I can use to sort some things. All right, so here is my nice big number bond. Isn't that awesome? Now, if you don't have paper plates, you could cut out some circles out of paper and it would work just the same way. So whenever I was getting ready for our video, I noticed that my kids have left some toys out. So I had to pick them up so I could get a clean space for our video. My daughter left some Hatchimals out here, so let's look. How many did she leave? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna put those in on one of my parts right here. She left some Hatchimals. And then my son, he left some dinosaurs. So let's count our dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put those in the other part right here on this plate. Remember, they have to go across the bridge to get to the hole. So we can figure out how many we have all together. So let's take our Hatchimals first. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's bring our dinosaurs. 5, we add 1 more, that makes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all together, they left 10 toys sitting on the counter. So we had 4 plus 6 makes 10. So you can use your toys to work on the number bond and work on addition facts, okay? So another way that you can play this game is by using the dice that I left for you guys. Do you remember that? And it was in the bag with the sight work game. I put it in there for you. Or if you have another dice that you can borrow out of another game at home, you can use it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll a number and we're gonna write it down for our parts, okay? So I'm gonna roll the first one. And it landed on 3. So I'm gonna write 3 right there. It looks backwards to you guys, I'm sorry. But that's the number 3. And then I'm gonna roll it again to find out my other part. So I've got 3, so I'll put 3 Hatchimals on here since I rolled a 3. And then I'm gonna roll my other one. And guess what it landed on? Another 3. All right, so I'm gonna put 3 dinosaurs over here on this plate, and I'm gonna write 3 plus 3 equals, what does 3 plus 3 equal? You might already know, I bet you do. But let's figure it out. So let's take our 3 Hatchimals over here. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna take our 3 dinosaurs. So we're gonna count on from 3. After 3 comes 4, 5, 6. What does 3 plus 3 equal? Good job, 6. So you're gonna write your number sentence down. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then you can do it again. So this is backwards to you guys, so your mom and dad will have to help you write your number sentence. But 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then you can roll your die and you can use toys. You could use food. You could put Cheerios on there or M&Ms. That makes it a little more fun because then you can eat it when you're done. So send me some pictures of you guys working with some number bonds and writing some number sentences. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.